Am I adequately covered with my hazard insurance on my rental portfolio? Question I get all the time. So this video is talking about going into 2023, what you should see with your hazard insurance policy. So what is hazard insurance? Starting with the real basics. So this is theft, fire, tornadoes, you name it. Of course, there's all kinds of add-ons with hazard insurance. You could have flood insurance, earthquake insurance. Where do you stop? Lately, a lot of people have been pushing, sewage backup as another rider on top of your policy. So we have a group insurance policy at Foundation Property Management that we are thrilled to be a part of. We have been for a long, long time. And the strength is in the numbers. So the insurance carrier is SES. Our provider is Lipscomb & Pitts. Lipscomb & Pitts is a local Memphis company, but a large regional insurance company with thousands and thousands and thousands of rental properties in this program. I've searched with other companies, just doing my due diligence, and they, on our behalf, have shopped the open market for all the different insurance policies available. My thing, I want to be adequately covered, but I don't want to pay any more than I have to. So the strength is in the numbers. If you are a part of our program, it does no benefit for me, other than as a group, we have benefits. Imagine if you have 6 rental properties in your portfolio and one burns to the ground. The next year, you're going to see a large increase on your policy. If you are a part of 1,000+ properties that we have in our group, then that one goes against the 1,000 houses. You're not going to see anything. That's the strength of having a group policy. However, we are not filing frivolous insurance claims. This is for something almost catastrophic. I mean, this is for a tree falls on the house, a fire, something bad, not somebody steals a refrigerator out of the house. Just, an example. This is for big ticket items on our rental properties. That keeps our cost down. So with SES, they have a minimum of $12,000 of rent loss. So this is if the house is occupied, the tree falls on it, we have to move the resident to another home as we rebuild this house. Up to 12 months will be covered loss of rent. Now, you can raise that limit to match what you are renting the home for. If you have a $1,400 a month rental, you can raise that. It's your choice. It is your obligation to set that up at the beginning when you buy the house or when you transfer the property to our company from another company. We have a minimum. This is new. Last year, we were at $100 per square foot replacement cost, and they are mandating that we go to $110. Well, I got to tell you right now, I cannot replace a house for $110 per square foot. Again, you can raise that amount with a justified amount higher to replace your property in worst case scenario, burns down, tree falls on it, whatever. So minimum 110 replacement cost, minimum $1,000 per month lost rent. Now, other companies that I've dealt with in the past, if that property were vacant more than 3 months, so it goes vacant, 91 days later, it's not insured unless you buy an extra rider policy, and you have to email them, raise your hand, say, I want that policy. They don't ask you. It's not covered. So this is much better coverage and a very much more competitive price than anything else I can find on the market. I've got a simple spreadsheet that was provided by Lipscomb Pitts, and we can put that property address in, the rent amount, and then square footage, and it automatically spits out what the monthly and yearly premium will be. So if you have any questions about that, reach out to me and the team. If you're looking to buy a property on our website, and you'll see the expenses monthly, this is where we get that number. We use that spreadsheet for insurance to tell you what your insurance is going to be if you choose to go with our group policy. If you're a veteran and getting better prices with USAA, no problem. Use that. However, I will ask you to manage that. It'd be very hard to manage the volume of properties we manage if everybody had a different insurance policy and we were facilitating that. If you're using our group policy, we take care of all of that with white glove service. So if you want to use your own insurance company, that is totally fine. You're under no obligation to use our group policy. There's large benefits to it, but if you use your own, just handle that on your own. So if you have properties in Memphis, if you're watching this video that I do not manage, I want to put it out there right now. I want to manage all of your properties. I have a lot of people that maybe they bought 6 or 7 properties with me, and they have 1 or 2 with another person in town, another company in town. They want to consolidate, or sometimes somebody just isn't getting the service they want. They want someone with a company that the owner is very involved. The team is extremely passionate about this phrase right here. Our interests are aligned with our owners to ensure a cash flowing, hands-off investment. That is a powerful sentence. Alignment with a property manager and owner is a rarity. In every way, I seek to be aligned with my owners. And here's another way, bringing you a group insurance policy that's going to give you better coverage, lower rates, spread out the risk, the power in numbers. However, I don't benefit financially from this at all. So if you want to go a different route, it's totally your call. You are the CEO of this venture. My team is your COO, operations, boots on the ground, the grunts here in Memphis, finding the properties, renovating the properties, managing the properties on your behalf to raise that cash flow. So you'll want to invest again with us, of course, but also that's the name of the game. And it should be hands off. So our team works for you. You don't have to manage our team. I want to be your property manager in Memphis, Tennessee, if I'm not already. If you've got properties that I don't manage, reach out to me and the team. How do you do that? Simply go to foundationpm.com and click the button that says schedule a call. It's that simple. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you've got questions about insurance or anything else, reach out to me and the team. We want to be your boots on the ground as you grow a rental portfolio in Memphis, Tennessee that produces results. Thank you.